Alright guys, I'm working on a video on these off-grid garden towers. Just waiting on one thing. So we're just waiting on some of these tomatoes to ripen up, and we've got the first one just started. So while we anxiously wait for those tomatoes to ripen up, have a quick look around the garden at all the nuttiness we got going on. All of which will have videos coming. Wait, just a minute, this first. Now I want you to notice one thing. A lot of people ask me, how do you adjust the EC levels? How do you adjust the pH? What about algae? You know, how do you get into the containers? And I brought you in closer because you can see you can't really get into those, right? There's no pump going up and down. Each one of these is self-contained. You can tell I haven't even been into one of these containers. You can barely tell there's a bucket behind it there, right? That's the beauty of the system. So I'm going to show you all how to do that. If you want to fiddle around and mess with all of those different levels and adjusting things and everything that goes with normal hydroponics, have fun. But if you want to grow tomatoes, peppers, stuff like this in a cheap and easy way, then I'm going to show you how to do it. So when I showed everyone the picture of this first monster pepper, that wasn't a freak accident. There's more of them. So very good size. There's jalapenos. We've got the banana peppers. You've got tomatoes growing right here. And basil too. So right now I can't decide if I'm going to make pesto or a bunch of salsa. So if you want to spend hundreds or even 1,000 on big garden towers and mess with all of that stuff, that's fine. But if you just want a cheap and easy way to grow loads of your own food and not mess with all of that other stuff, this is the way. All right, now you can go look around the garden. Lift, inspire, keep on growing, and be the change. We'll catch you next time.